From the airlines to the power lines, everyone is trying to be as prepared as possible. Today, Greystone Power started its own storm preparations. Nicole Williams shows us how they are getting equipment ready in case your lights go out.
Linemen met Thursday, prepping trucks, packing materials, and getting ready for what could be a long few days. Greystone linemen packed wall to wall for a briefing Thursday morning. The message was clear: be extra careful out there.
Safety is going to be our #1 thing when we're out there.
On the linemen's agenda, prepare for what could be a long and dangerous storm. Supervisor Matt Freeman has 2 decades on the job. He walks us through the holding area. Here is where they'll stage and wait, ready to move. Trucks are stocked with chains for tires. One lineman stuffs yellow plastic, holding bundled wire into a bucket.
We want to make sure that we got everything we need as far as material-wise on the trucks when we get out there. Extra material that we might need during the storm.
And dozens of poles are ready in the yard. Freeman says the crews know the risks and that they're working for about 135,000 people bracing for the storm.
We know what's going on and know that you're out, so just hang in there and we'll be to you as quick as possible.
Their families are also top of mind.
We want to make sure all of us go home.
Greystone crew says they're prepared to work around the clock if necessary, and they're urging their members to prepare now to possibly be out of power for multiple days.